Hello, assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna make a lavender. So, for that, we'll need a lavender color yarn, a green color yarn, a stick. We also need a fevicol, scissors, and a 3.mm hook, a glue gun, and last not the least, we need a needle. First we need to make a slip knot, then you have to chain 60 to 70. I am doing 70 chains. You can also do 60 chains. So I made 70 chain. Gonna do 2 double crochet into the third stitch, so yarn over, insert your hook into the third, take the yarn out, I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you won't let it go. I'll trust the universe. Chain 2, will always bring 1, me to you. 2, and then we'll do slip stitch in the same stitch. So and then we have to do slip stitch in the next stitch, and then after that we have to do 7 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that we have to do slip stitch in the same stitch, and then you have to continue the same pattern, slip stitch, chain 7, slip stitch. Just repeat this till the end. So let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me? My love will always stay by you. A flower looks so cute. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. At last, after this, chain 1 and cut the yarn off. So promise you won't let it go. I'll trust the universe will always. Now take this stick, put the glue, and start sticking the green yarn. And start rolling it like that, and with the help of the fevicol, just put fevicol and just roll it, roll it, roll it till the end. Take your glue gun and just take the first thing which we did, 2 double crochet. Take that and put your glue and stick it to the stick like that. If I took your hand tonight, know you're all that I want this life. Put the glue. After that, take your petals and just wind up like that, as I am doing. So here's the final look. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye. Tell you I love you more.